हाय हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं सभी? ओके, I hope that everyone is fine, fantastic, happy, healthy. And today's class we will start with the numerical of mirror formula, class 10. Bacha, in last two lecture we are doing our light chapter. We completed already two videos. First was the introductory type, and the second one we completed the spherical mirror. In that we studied about the convex and concave mirror. We also studied about the ray diagrams that are very important, that how to draw the image, in which mirror what kind of the image is there. It is real or it is virtual, erect, inverted, what are the image distance, what are the object distance. So if someone is want to solve the numerical, so you need to just see that video first. You need to find out the sign convention and the magnification and the mirror formula, वो सब क्या होता है, ठीक है? So today's class we will start with the numerical. Okay, so what was the mirror formula? I hope you all know 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. It was very simple. एंड लिसन, एग्जाम में क्या है, बच्चों को कंफ्यूजन होता है और जनरली बहुत ही छोटी सी सिली सी मिस्टेक की वजह से तुम्हारा कंप्लीट क्वेश्चन गलत हो जाता है. एंड दैट मिस्टेक इज अबाउट द साइन, दैट व्हेन यू नीड टू टेक नेगेटिव एंड व्हेन यू नीड टू टेक पॉजिटिव. ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस, इमेज डिस्टेंस, हाइट कब पॉजिटिव होगा, हाइट नेगेटिव कब होगा, डिस्टेंस कब पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव होंगे. सो फॉर दैट साइन कन्वेंशन आई टोल्ड यू टुडे अगेन वेरी क्विकली. आई विल टेल यू दैट विच u is negative or positive, v is negative or positive for which mirror. So please just watch that and then we will solve numerical. Okay, so this was the mirror formula. This is image distance bacha. Image distance from the pole. We always measure all the distance from the pole of the mirror. समझ गए? pole से ही measure करना है. If you are going from the pole, for example, concave mirror is this and this is pole. So if you are going in this direction, left from the pole to your left, so that will be negative. It is like coordinate system. जैसे मैथ में होता है ना, this is origin, this is negative, this is positive, this is positive, this is negative. Same ways here. पोल को अगर हम ओरिजिन कंसीडर करते हैं तो इफ यू आर गोइंग इन दिस साइड इट इज नेगेटिव, इफ यू आर गोइंग इन दिस साइड दिस विल बी पॉजिटिव. इफ ऑब्जेक्ट इज अपवर्ड एंड दैट विल बी ऑलवेज अपवर्ड, सो दैट इज पॉजिटिव, एंड इफ इट इज डाउनवर्ड सो इट विल बी नेगेटिव. सेम साइन कन्वेंशन हियर वी विल फॉलो. एंड u is what? Object distance from the pole. f is what? Focal length. Focal length is the distance from the pole to the focus. Concave mirror के केस में, see, in case of the concave mirror, pole is here, center of curvature somewhere here, and focus is here. So this distance is known as the focal length. Now see bacha, in case of the concave mirror I am talking about, when you will measure this focal length, so you will measure from where? You will measure from this pole, and when you will go in this direction left, so focal length कैसा होगा? Negative. So concave mirror जो है, in case of concave, focal length always negative. Okay? In case of convex mirror, you will draw the diagram like this. Again, this side is reflecting. Now somewhere here center of curvature, here it is focus, and here it is pole. So the distance from the pole to focus, again pole to focus, this is focal length. So what will happen? This focal length, pole to the right side. आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं? pole से right side. So focal length क्या होगा? Positive. इस केस में हमेशा positive होता है. So जब भी numerical solve करोगे ना, you need to see first thing कि mirror कौन सा है. It is convex or it is concave. After that you will get to know कि focal length negative लोगे या positive. Okay? This thing clear? Now come to the u and v. So u is what? Object distance. Object is always in the left hand. इस तरफ रखेंगे. Either you are making it is concave mirror or you are making convex mirror. Object is always this side. So object is always in the left side. So u is what? Always negative. It is convex or concave. दोनों में से कुछ भी है. दोनों के केस में क्या होगा? u is always negative. Here also, here also. Now come to v. v is what, children? v is the distance of image. Now it depends. In case of the concave mirror में all the cases were real and inverted. Only one case was what? It was virtual and erect. So you remember when it is virtual and erect, so it form this side. जब भी image virtual और erect होता है, this side. And it was only in one last case when the object was between focus and pole, उस केस में था. Otherwise in all other cases the image was real and inverted, and it was this side, real and inverted. So in case of the concave mirror, it is positive. Sorry, this side is negative. v is negative, but only in one case v is positive also. In case of the concave mirror I am talking about. In case of the convex mirror, बच्चा convex mirror में क्या था, हमेशा ही दो केस हम लोगों ने कंसीडर किए थे, at infinity and at any finite distance. So what we observed, image was always virtual, and if it is virtual, so from the pole this is right side, so V is always positive. So remember, in case of the convex V is always positive, but in case of the concave बच्चा it is positive and it is negative both. It depend on the situation, and वो positive सिर्फ एक ही केस में होता है when object is between focus and pole. Okay, H2 and H1, or we can say HO, height of object, height of image. Height of object is always positive because it is in upside. Height of image, it depend. If the image is real, so it will be always inverted. So real and inverted. अगर वो real and inverted है, so real है तो obviously inverted होगा, so that is negative. ठीक है? And if HI, height of image, it is virtual and erect. अगर image virtual और erect है, तो HI कैसा होगा? Positive होगा. ठीक है, formula this we will use, and for magnification we know HI, H2 by H1, or height of image divided by height of object. In terms of V and U, you will write so minus V by U. Okay, so these were the formula and these were the sign convention. Again I repeated. Now we will start with a very simple numerical and then we will move to some complicated, not that much. एक बार समझ में आया ना sign convention, then it will be very easy for you to solve the numericals. Trust me. हाँ, C पहला numerical एक simple सा numerical लेते हैं. Okay, so like okay, an object is placed. Very simple question. An object is placed at 15 centimeter from pole, 15 centimeter from convex mirror. Okay. From convex mirror of focal length 5 centimeter. Calculate the position of image. ये मैंने ऐसे एक सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन लिया है, ज्यादा कुछ भी नहीं है. सी, सो सबसे पहले जो मैंने तुम लोगों को क्या बोला था, दैट यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट दैट विच काइंड ऑफ मिरर इज दिस. तो सबसे पहले मिरर कौन सा है? कॉन्वेक्स मिरर है. सो फोकल लेंथ हमेशा क्या होगा? पॉजिटिव. कॉन्वेक्स में पॉजिटिव होगा, कॉन्केव में नेगेटिव होगा. सो हियर कॉन्वेक्स मिरर, सो फोकल लेंथ इज व्हाट? +5 centimeter. It is given. Second factor that is given to us is object is placed at 15 centimeter. So U is given. And U, I already told, either it is convex mirror or it is concave mirror, it will be negative. So negative 15 centimeter. V, they are asking to us that calculate the V. So what you will use? You will use the mirror formula, and from here when you will calculate V, so can we write it like this? Very simple. Now put the value 1 by F. F is +5 minus 1 by U. अभी एक नेगेटिव यहाँ पे है, एक नेगेटिव ये. So this will be positive 15. Take LCM and you will get 1 by V is equal to 4 by 15, and from here when you will get V, so it will be 15 by 4 centimeter. So what is the value of V बच्चा? here it is positive, and image का जो distance है वो positive. कॉन्वेक्स मिरर है ना, कॉन्वेक्स के केस में हमेशा क्या होता है? वर्चुअल एंड इरेक्ट. सो इट विल बी पॉजिटिव ऑफ कोर्स. सो दिस वाज वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. नाउ वी विल डू एंड वी विल स्टार्ट विद सम इंटरेस्टिंग न्यूमेरिकल्स एंड वी विल what we will do. Okay, we will know that how to solve this question. Okay, so let's check out the next question. Okay, see, one more simple question is given, that in case of a question is given like this, that object distance is 3 centimeter. Object is putting in front of the mirror at 3 centimeter, and image is also in front of the mirror at 12 centimeter. For example, question is given like this. 1 to 2 question we will do simple and then we will start. Okay, so for example, question is given that object distance is 3 centimeter in front of a mirror, and image distance is 12 centimeter in front of mirror. Now see bacha, in front of mirror. In this question, find magnification. Find It is very simple. Magnification is asking, but mirror given nahi hai that it is convex or it is concave. So in this kind of the question, when mirror is not given, read the statement again. Object distance is 3 centimeter in front of the mirror. It is either convex or concave. It is in front of the mirror. It means object is in the left side. And same way, the image distance is 12 centimeter in front of the mirror. It is also in the left side. So U is negative and V is also negative. This thing you need to understand from this question. Otherwise तुम्हें पता ही है now m is equal to what minus v by u वैल्यू तुम्हें given है तो तुम लोग easily calculate कर सकते हो. But the thing that you need to understand is what that when mirror name is not given, you need to find out the position that it is in the front of the mirror or it is behind the mirror. So question is simply saying कि both the things are in front of the mirror. So u is also negative, v is also negative. Now u value is what minus 3 centimeter, v value is what minus 12 centimeter. Question is asking about the m and m is what minus v by u. One negative sign is already here. V is minus 12 and here u is minus 3. Negative cancel and it will be minus 3, 4. Minus 4. This will be the magnification. Okay. So this is also one kind of the question when the name of the mirror is not given. Okay. Next question is, here is the next question. A convex mirror is used for rear view on automobiles. That we studied in uses also. That convex mirror को हम लोग use करते हैं rear view mirror. Okay. Automobile has a radius of curvature 3 meter. Convex mirror है उसका radius of curvature is given. If a bus is located at 5 meter from this mirror, find the position, nature and size of the image. बच्चा position, nature and size of the image. Position means the distance of the image from the pole. V. Nature. It is real or it is virtual. That you need to tell. Okay. Size of the image. It means you need to find out HI. Height of the image. That also you need to calculate. Okay. So now mirror is what? Convex mirror. So focal length कैसा होगा? Positive. But here given is what? Radius of curvature. We know the relation. R is equal to R by 2 is equal to what? F. We know na this is a convex mirror and this is center of curvature. This is somewhere here we are. I'm saying focus here pole. So this is focal length and this is radius of curvature. So radius का जो half होता है वो क्या होता है? Focal length. So we can calculate focal length from here. Radius is given 3 by 2. It means 1.5 meter. This thing is positive. Focal length. ठीक है? Convex mirror का. Now the next thing, bus is located at 5 meter from this mirror. Now object is given. Object is always what? Negative. 5 meter. F is what? Plus 1.5 meter. सबसे पहले we need to find out the v. Again use the formula 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f, and from here 1 by v is equal to 1 by f, 1.5 minus 1 by u, minus minus plus 1 by 5. Now we need to solve it, so it will be 10 by 15. Take 10 plus 3, 13 by 15. So 1 by v is equal to what? 13 by 15, and when you will calculate v, it will be 15 by 13 and it will be 1.15, I think. Yeah. 1, 2, 1. Okay, it's almost like this. So it is this much meter. Now V is also what? Positive. Distance of image is positive. It means it is this side or this side? This side. And in convex mirror it is always virtual and erect. तो एक चीज यहाँ से clear है that the image is what? Image is virtual and we find out the answer plus 1.15. एक चीज clear हो गया, nature clear हो गया. Now size of the image. So size of the image निकालने के लिए बचा formula is what? Magnification is equal to h2 by h1. यानी कि height of image divided by height of object. Height of object given नहीं है, तो ये formula हम apply नहीं कर सकते. Second formula is what? That m is equal to minus v by u. So if we can calculate the magnification from there, so what we will get? We will get to know कि size of image object के comparison में कितना है, वो diminished हुआ है या वो increase हुआ है, so that we can find out. So, okay, what we need to do now? We need to find out the magnification. Formula for magnification is minus v by u. Now minus v is 1.15 by u is minus minus plus 5. Okay, so from here we can calculate and simply you can see from here it will be less than 1. यहाँ से जब आप इसको डिवाइड करोगे, so what will be this? Magnification will be less than 1. प्लेन मिरर के केस में मैग्निफिकेशन कितना था? 1, because the height of the object and the height of image both were equal. In case of the convex mirror, in this particular magnification is less than 1. less than 1 का मतलब क्या है बच्चा? That the image is diminished in size. It is less than the height of object. And if they want to compare it, how you will compare? यहाँ से तुम लोगों को इसको डिवाइड करके वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है. And you know m is equal to h2 by h1. So height of image is equal to m into h1. So यहाँ से जो भी magnification का वैल्यू आएगा, you can simply say that height of the image is this much time of the height of object. Okay, so you can calculate it like that. I hope you got it. Now the next question is, here is next question. An object 4 centimeter in size is placed 25 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. Mirror कौन सा है बच्चा? Concave. Focal length क्या होगा? Negative. Front of focal length 15 centimeter. Focal length is equal to minus 15 centimeter. This is given. Object is 4 centimeter in size. In size. So it means height of object is given. 4 centimeter. Height of object. Object is always placed on principal axis, above principal axis. So it will be positive, of course. Okay, you know, upward it is positive, downward it is negative. So h o, height of object given 4 centimeter. Placed 25 centimeter in front of the concave mirror. If this is concave mirror, in front of the concave mirror, u is this side, and u is always what? Negative, because from the pole we will measure. So u is what? Minus 25 centimeter. That is given. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image? सबसे पहले बच्चा क्वेश्चन क्या है? We need to find out the image. We need to find out the distance of the image and we need to take it on the screen. Screen के ऊपर कौन सा image आता है? That is real. Always real image we can take on the screen, not the virtual one. Okay. So first thing, it is clear that the image will be real and inverted and in the left sides. ठीक है. So now we can calculate also very simple. Mirror formula हम लोगों के पास है. We can apply and we will find out. So nature and size of the image. So what we need to calculate? We need to calculate hi. We need to calculate v. Okay? Nature तो यही से है कि real है तभी वो उस पे स्क्रीन पे आ सकता है और real है तो कैसी है? Inverted है. So nature में you can simply write it is real and inverted, and that you can tell after finding out v also. That by the sign of v you can tell. Okay? So we will calculate firstly v. 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f, and we can write it like this, minus 1 by u. Okay? 1 by f. F is what? Minus 15 minus and u minus here 1 by 25. Okay, now you need to take LCM and you need to solve this. How you will solve? Just take the LCM and it will be okay. Okay, so it will be minus 25 and plus 15, and here it will be minus 10 divided by 1 by e. So minus 2 by 75. V you will calculate from here. Reciprocate that 75 by 2 and divide it. Minus 37.5 centimeters. Okay, you need to calculate V, and V we got it. So V is what? Minus 37.5 centimeters. See the sign, it is negative, and if v is negative, it means it is in front of the mirror, this side, and in case of the concave mirror, it will be in this side, so it will be negative sign, real inverted image. ठीक है? Now we need to calculate size of the image. So size of image कैसे निकालेंगे? Again बच्चा formula क्या है? M is equal to height of image divided by height of object. Height of object हमें पता है, height of image we need to find out. M का हमें नहीं पता कि क्या है. So we need to calculate M with another formula, that is minus v by u. Firstly we will calculate M, then we will put the value here and we will calculate hi. So M is equal to what now? Minus v. V minus 37.5 divided by u. U is minus 25. You can solve from here M. You will get the value 37.5, 25. And negative. So simple one thing, magnification क्या आएगा? Negative आएगा. Magnification is negative here. Put this value of magnification here, hi, when you will calculate from this formula, m into h naught. M क्या है? 37.5 by 25 minus and into ho, height of object 4. ये यहाँ पे हो गया. So this is what height of image centimeter. You can calculate it from here. And this is what? Negative. क्योंकि real है तो क्या होगा? Inverted. तो height भी क्या होगी? Negative होगी because it is downward the principal axis. Okay. So this is the question that you need to understand. Okay. Now see one more numerical. I hope after that you will get it clearly. Next question. This question is almost similar to the last question. Please try it by yourself. Okay. Now pause the video or write down the question. Just solve the question in your rough notebook and then find out the answer. Match the answer. Okay. So question is what? Object 6 centimeter in size is placed. 6 centimeter means height of object is given. 6 centimeter. Okay. Then the 30 centimeter in placed of a concave mirror. So minus 30 centimeter. Please don't see the solution, just do it by yourself and then check out the answer. What distance from the mirror image? We need to calculate V. Again we need to calculate height of the image and focal length. Concave mirror, so minus 15 centimeter. These are the factors that are given and these two factors we need to calculate. Again 1 by V is equal to 1 by F minus 15 minus plus 1 by 30. We need to calculate this. 1 by V is equal to minus 1 by 30. V is equal to minus 30 centimeter here. Now M is equal to minus V by U minus 1. M is equal to minus 1 and M is equal to height of image divided by height of object. So HI will be M into H naught and M is what? Minus 1. Height of object 6, so height of image is equal to minus 6 centimeter. This was very simple and I am hoping कि तुम लोगों ने खुद से किया होगा. Okay, so height of image is 6 times then the height of object. क्योंकि height of object कितना था? Okay, height of object was 6, so it's not 6 times. It is same. Height of object and height of image is same. It is real. It is inverted. The distance is also same. Minus 30 centimeter. Both are in front of the mirror. Okay, so these kind of the questions will come. Now one I will give you as a homework that also you can try and then we will move to the next topic. Here is a next question that is your homework. I will also solve this question here only, but for you it is homework, so please don't see the answer. Okay, an object 10 centimeter high is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter from a convex mirror of radius of curvature 60 centimeter. Find the position, nature and size of the image. This is your homework. I am just solving it. Okay. So no need to check out answer. After correcting it, after solving it, then you need to correct it. Okay. So height of object is given 10 centimeter. Of course it will be plus because it is upward the principal axis at a distance of 20 centimeter. U is minus 20. Convex mirror है. So focal length will be what? Positive. And focal length is radius by 2. Radius of curvature is given 60. 60 by 2 it is 30. 30 centimeter is what? Focal length. Now we need to find out the position. It means V. Nature it means real or virtual. Size of image मतलब HI. ये हम लोगों को कैलकुलेट करना है एंड आई थिंक अभी तुम लोगों को बहुत सिंपल लग रहा होगा, सबको अच्छे से समझ में आ गया होगा. बहुत ही आसान से क्वेश्चंस है. इट्स नॉट डिफिकल्ट. यू नीड टू जस्ट रिमेंबर द साइन कन्वेंशन. उसमें गड़बड़ नहीं करना है, अदरवाइज पूरा क्वेश्चन गलत हो जाएगा. ठीक है. सो 1 by V is equal to 1 by F 30 minus 1 by U. It is this. So here it will be V will be 60 by 5 centimeter. Okay, so V is what? Positive. Positive means it is virtual and erect. Okay, V यहाँ पे हमारे पास है, U हमारे पास यहाँ पे है, M we can calculate. M is equal to minus V 60 by 5 divided by U minus 20 minus plus 3 5 by 3. So M is equal to 3 by 5. Okay, next thing that we need to calculate, height of image is equal to M into height of object 10. So height of image is what? 6 cm. Okay, so these kind of the questions will come. बच्चा practice more question. There will be I'm thinking कि एक और वीडियो करते हैं सिर्फ न्यूमेरिकल्स को लेके and then we will move to the topic lengths. So just be at your home. Be happy, healthy and take care of yourself. Take care of your family. Okay. Bye. Thank you.